All right, guys. So today we are doing the headlight lenses on my E46 ZHP sedan, 6 speed, of course. So it's very easy. The first thing, you unscrew the corner light, which is in that hole right there. Once you do that, you kind of pop off these tabs here. So there are three on the top, three on the bottom, and one on the side. Once you pop those out, you move the lower trim, and you can't break it. It pops out really easy, but that's how you access the lower trim clips. So once the lower trim clips are out and the upper trim clips are out, you also take off, there's like a rubber trim right above it. I didn't show it here, but you kind of slide that out. Once I took everything off, you kind of see the lens is exposed. That's my little helper for the day. Here is the old lens versus the new lens. And again, it was $30, and it just gives the car just such a way cleaner look. I mean,
It was only $30.
for $30,
and it is plastic.
it's a no-brainer.
Pretty much the same
Make
thing.
your car look
But
clean.
it just gives it a much
So
cleaner
instead of
look.
buffing it out, I decided to
It's
just
just the
order the
little stuff.
lenses.
You want to just kind of
And it was just real
make
easy.
it look
So
nice.
I did it on the last car.
All right, I'll show you
So
what it
here
looks like
is a photo of after. You can kind of see, here's a photo of the lenses once again. And the quality and the fitment are great. Here is the old lens that's still on. Thanks for watching, and I'll put a link in the description.